Hello everyone, my name is Jelena and this video I'm going to show you how to create your first Sway presentation. First of all, we need to go to this address sway.office.com and you will have to sign in your Office account. I will choose mine. Then I will enter my password. And yes, I will stay signed in. On this first page, you can see all sways that I have already created. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to create a brand new presentation. So you will need to choose this option, Create New. This is your empty presentation. Here you need to add title for your sway. You can change it later, of course. You can change this type of font. You can make it bold or normal, italic or normal, or you can add link to some other web page, but I won't do that at the moment. You can add a background photo as well. Click on this button. And here you can search some free photos that is stored in Microsoft Office Gallery, but you can also add some of yours. For this video, I'm gonna choose something interesting. Online class, for example. And I will choose this one. Click Add. This is the background of my title. Then we will add new elements. Click on this green plus button and you can choose between heading, text, image, stock, or uploading something for your computer. You can also type here to add text as heading or ordinary text, media, and you can add some images, video, audio, or something else. And of course you can make some galleries of your photos. For the beginning, we will make a heading. This is first level heading and I will name it Beginning. And we will add some photo. For example, we will search for it in the library. Okay, I will use this one and add it. Now we will type something. Okay, what can we do with this text? We can make it to be a heading or no, bold it, make it italic, or to make a list. Oh no, sorry, I will do that again, or number, or no. And you can add link. Also, you can change between small and big view, but we will do it later. Now we are going to add a photo. Okay, let's choose something from the library, this one for example, and you can choose between showing a whole photo or just some details, for example this one. And what you will see depends on the layout that you choose later. I will say entire image is important. Then we can add some media, just a moment. For example, video. You can find something on internet, or you can choose something from here. Let's see, what is this? Let's add it, never mind. Or group, we can add some photos here. And let's see what we have got. This is Jelena's way. You can change this if you click edit and choose design, then styles. Okay, let's see, what is this? Or this. Click on edit and back to the start. If you choose design and styles, as you can see, you will got so many options for your presentation. For example, different layouts, or you can customize them, change fonts, colors, animations, etc. I will recommend to explore on your own and try to create something interesting. I hope this video was helpful. Good luck with your first presentation, and we can't wait to see your new work. See you soon. Bye bye.